In this short video, we are going to see how we can have two masks on a single layer. So for example, let's say that we wanted to darken the foreground in this image. So we could go to adjustments and then use curves, darken the whole thing like this, and then for instance use the gradient tool like this to draw the mask. And just for the sake of argument, let's say if I was to adjust this gradient a little bit more like this, so it overshoots slightly, so it affects the upper part of the image as well. So to fix this, what I can do is I can create another mask by clicking onto the Create a Mask layer like this. But what you'll notice is that if you use a brush tool, for example, and you try to paint on top of this mask, Photoshop will not allow you to do this. It will revert back to the first mask. And this is because the two masks are not the same. So the first mask is a layer mask, and this mask only works with raster-based tools or pixel-based tools like brushes and gradients. The second mask is a vector mask, and this mask only works with vector-based tools. So it only works with the pen tool and shape tools. So if I use a pen tool like this, I can draw a selection. I can draw a path like this. And now this mask clips the layer mask before it like this. So you can see now that the top part is not being affected like this. Okay, let me give you another example. If we wanted to darken this face of this cube, again, we could go to adjustments, make a curves layer adjustment like this, and then maybe use a gradient like this. And then we can make another mask, use the pen tool, and I will just draw a rough selection like this. So now only this face of the cube is affected. I could also change the blending mode to luminosity, so it does not affect the color.